Hello, my SEOs. My name is Kiko, and today we're going to discuss the top 3 reasons AI wants long-tail keywords. So get ready to get quirky and weird. I already am. Here today on The Sauce, brought to you by PauseRank.com. First off, let me apologize. I'm a little under the weather, but the show must go on. So without further ado, here we go. So, what's the difference between short-tail and long-tail keywords? Well, search engines can be like picky eaters. They prefer the popular, well-known foods, short-tail keywords, over the more obscure niche ones, long-tail keywords. It's kind of like when you have a kid that only wants to eat chicken nuggets and won't touch their veggies, even though the veggies might be healthier and more nutritious. Short-tail keywords are like the chicken nuggets of the search engine world. They're easy to digest, and everyone knows what they are. Long-tail keywords, on the other hand, are like exotic fruits and veggies that only few people know about. Sure, they might be delicious and nutritious, but they're not as widely accepted or recognized. But just like parents try to sneak in veggies into their kids' meals, businesses can still try to sneak in long-tail keywords to boost their search engine rankings. It's like adding some kale to a smoothie. You might not even taste it, but it's all there and it's all good for you. And with AI being introduced into search engines or as search engines, long-tail keywords will probably be the new big opportunity for better rankings. Reason number 1, it helps the AI understand the user's intent. Imagine an AI is like a detective trying to solve a crime. The popular, high-traffic keywords are like the obvious suspects that everyone knows about. They're big, flashy, and get a lot of attention. But sometimes the real clues are the hidden and little details that only few people know about. That's where the long-tail keywords come in. They're like the obscure, quirky clues that only the most dedicated detectives or search engines would think to look for. By analyzing these long-tail keywords, AI can uncover the true intent behind a user's search and provide more targeted results. It's kind of like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But with AI and some cleverly chosen long-tail words, you just might be able to find that one important piece of information that cracks the case. And who knows, maybe you'll even solve the mystery of why people keep searching for cat videos in space. It's a long-tail keyword that may seem silly, but you never know what kind of valuable insight it could uncover. Number 2, AI is always learning. In the future, which is vastly approaching, AI will be so advanced that it will probably be able to anticipate our every need. So when you think about searching for something, that AI will already know what you're looking for and provide the perfect search results. But until that happens, we'll have to rely on long-tail keywords to help the AI understand what we really are looking for. It's like we're speaking a secret language that only the most advanced AI can understand. In the future, you might be able to ask the AI for something as specific as a purple sweater with a cowl neck that's made from sustainable material and costs less than $50. And it will be able to find it for you in a matter of seconds. But until then, we'll just have to keep coming up with more and more long-tail keywords to help the AI understand what we're really looking for. And who knows, maybe in the future, we'll be able to use long-tail keywords like caffeine-free coffee for people who hate the taste of coffee but still want to feel awake. And AI will be able to deliver it to that really weird person. And lastly, number 3, it helps your audience find you. Imagine you're at a fancy dress party and everyone is dressed up in big, flashy costumes. That's like the popular, high-traffic keywords that everyone knows and wants to target. But then you see someone dressed up in a really obscure character from a B-rated movie and no one else seems to know who they are. That's long-tail keywords. It's not as popular as the well-known, but it's still perfect fit for someone looking for something specific. So basically, long-tail keywords are like the weirdos at a party who you might have just overlooked at first, but who could end up being your best friend as long as you just give them a chance. So long-tail keywords are like the quirky, niche things that only a few people know about, but they can still be super valuable if you know how to use them. AI-powered search engines can analyze and understand long-tail keywords to provide more targeted and relevant results. So With a little creativity and persistence, businesses and marketers can use long-tail keywords and AI to their advantage to attract more targeted traffic to their site. And who knows, maybe in the future, AI will be so advanced that it can read our minds and anticipate everything we need. And I'm not looking forward to that because nobody needs to be in this mind at all. So for now, while long-tail keywords might seem like the underdog of the current search engine world, with AI, they just might be what you need for attracting targeted traffic and improving your search engine rankings. So don't overlook those quirky niche keywords. They might just be the secret ingredient your website needs to stand out from the crowd. Hey SEOs, I hope you found that helpful. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future episodes where I go more into depth about all your SEO questions. Till next time, my name is Kiko. Have a great day.